Hello, this is Lori Kornblum, and I am here tonight to give you a best case tutorial on how to cure an arrearage for a Chapter 13 plan. For more information about MATC classes, go to www.matc.edu. So for this, we are going to go into our best case. We are now working with Jim and Tanaya Mandel, and this is a fictional family who are trying to file a Chapter 13 case. So we're going to look at their Schedule A and B property, which has been entered. So we're going to open up their real property. They have a home at 46 Highwater Place in Racine, Wisconsin, which is a fictional place. They own it in fee simple. Current value is $200,000, which has been entered. Notice it is linked to liens. On the next tab, we see the description. On the next tab, we see a lien from First National Finance. So let's go ahead and open that. So I don't have an address for First National Finance. This is a first mortgage, so we're going to make sure that we have that in there. The claim amount is $89,000, so there is no unsecured amount because it's less than the value of the property. There are no senior liens. Let's go to the next tab. We're just going to calculate the payment as if we were going for the means test. Let me just zero that out and show how we got that. Let's say that there was no arrearage, then we would just calculate it based on 60 months. Okay. However, and we make sure that we say this includes taxes and insurance and it's secured by the home. However, let's say that they have past due payments of, let's say they're paying $900 a month and they're 3 months behind. So that would be $2,700 past due. Then the arrearage would be $45. And if we calculated the payment, it would now include the arrearage. And that's just for the means test. Now we're going to go to the Chapter 13 plan treatment. So the Chapter 13 plan treatment, let's go back to the mean test. So let's say that we were doing the home as secured paid pro rata. Not necessarily a good idea because you really want to pay off $86,000 in the term of the plan. Maybe not. But just to review, let's say that we're going to do this long term in the plan and we're going to put in their monthly payment of $900 in the plan, and that way they'll pay off $900 a month throughout the term of the plan and then continue paying after the plan ends. But the arrearage, we can either pay it many ways. We can do it as a fixed payment, we can do it pro rata, and because it's an arrearage, we're going to add an interest rate. Let's say that we add an interest rate of 5%. Sorry, you have to keep going back to it. Interest rate of 5%. So we can either pay it pro rata, which means that it's going to be paid every month throughout the term of the plan, or we can do it as a fixed payment. And the fixed payment, let's say we want to pay it off in the first 12 months of the plan, then we can calculate the payment in that way. Let's go back to the 13 plan treatment. Then the payment is calculated automatically as $231.14. So we don't have any unsecured portion, and we can make sure that the payment is done that way. So we don't have any co-debtors, additional notice, or anything like that. So we have done our 13 plan treatment. We have calculated the arrearage, and that's how you do it. So we would say, okay. And that is the end of this video.